Guys, ladies and gentlemen, Africae, Ethiopiae, I'm gonna be back here one day, and this place will be full of all Africans, and my speech will be this: Africa must unite. One Africa in our generation, one Africa right now. We don't have any time to wait no longer, but it is the time to unite. You know what I'm saying? Let me go there once again. I'm all alone right now. Alright guys, let me say this. I'm gonna be back in this building once again. One day, I'm gonna stand right here at the center of this building, and my speech will be this: one Africa right now, one Africa in our generation. We don't have no longer time to waste. This is not the time to think, to talk. This is not the time to feel. No, this is the time to act. Act right now. One Africa right now is what we need. One Africa right now is what we need. It's what we need, guys. It's what we need. Listen to me very careful. One Africa right now is what we need. That is what we need. That will be my speech. I will stand right here and I will speak like this. Right here. That's what we need. That's what we need. It's long overdue. Long overdue. We need to unite now. This is the pride. Pride of Ethiopians. Pride of Africans. Ethiopia, I love you. You guys, you have a special heart in my heart. Special place in my heart. You've always known that, man. I need to come here every single month, though. I need to move here, the matter of fact. Guys, Ethiopia, if I ever say anything bad about you, forgive me, please. Forgive me. If I ever said anything bad about you, forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Hey, Ethiopia, Ethiopia. I get it. Something like that. I love this country, man. I love this country. Oh. Just singing. Huh? You love Teddy Afro?
Yeah.
You love Teddy Afro? Oh. Teddy Afro is my... Sing, come on. Come on. Ethiopia. Teddy Afro, you see this? Wow. Ethiopia. I love you guys. Jesus.